Hello, I'm Sam. I am a Youth Services Library Assistant here at Burn Bar Central Library with Phoenix Public Libraries. I have a do-it-yourself STEAM video today on foil monoprints, like this. Printmaking is a process of image transfer, and it allows you to create more than one copy of the image you're trying to create. At Burton Bar Central Library, we actually have our very own old printing press. What we need today is some paint. It can be tempera or acrylic, a sheet of aluminum foil, pieces of paper that are smaller than your sheet of aluminum foil, Q-tips. I have a sponge brush, but you can use a regular sponge as well. We're going to get started by pouring some paint directly onto our aluminum foil. Then you're going to take your sponge and spread it around. You're going to want a fairly thin layer. Mine looks like this. All right, then fairly quickly, you're going to want to take your Q-tip and you're going to draw your image into the paint on your foil. I drew myself a little coffee cup here. Then you are going to take your paper and very gently press it over the image you've drawn in your paint. Lift it up. And there's copy number 1. All right, so we'll take our paint again. There's image number 2. Some trees and a moon. So that's printmaking. It really is super duper easy to do at home. I am Sam. This has been a STEAM video with Phoenix Public Library, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.